Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Cloudflare WAF rules for your SaaS domain, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Cloudflare WAF rules for your SaaS domain, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Select the appropriate domain from your dashboard. Navigate to the Firewall section in the left-hand menu. Click on the WAF option within the firewall settings. Locate the Managed Rules tab to see the pre-configured rules available. Review the active rules list to identify any that might be affecting your SaaS application. For each rule, check the status to see if it is enabled or disabled. To investigate a specific rule, click on its name for more details. Note the description and the conditions under which the rule triggers. If necessary, adjust the sensitivity level for the rule you wish to modify. Next, head to the Firewall Events tab to analyze triggered events related to WAF rules. Filter events by the date range relevant to your tests. Identify any blocked requests to see which rules were applied. Document the requests that were affected by the WAF rules. If you find false positives, consider whitelisting specific IP addresses or adjusting the rule settings. For thorough testing, use a tool like curl or Postman to simulate requests. Send requests that should normally pass through the WAF. Monitor the responses to ensure they are as expected. If certain requests are blocked and shouldn't be, revisit the WAF rules. Make necessary adjustments based on your findings. After applying changes, retest to confirm the adjustments took effect. Regularly monitor your firewall events to maintain an optimal configuration. Keep documentation of your configurations for future reference. This will help to ensure your SaaS domain stays secure while minimizing unnecessary disruptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.